Welcome to CyberItSimple, where we make cybersecurity simple. Tired of confusing tech jargon? We get it. That's why we turn complicated cybersecurity challenges into clear, step-by-step advice that anyone can follow. Let's be real. Nobody can guarantee 100% security. That's why our motto is hack-proof thinking. We focus on building smart habits, not just installing software. How do we do it? First, through empowering education. We provide clear, actionable guides and checklists that cut through the noise and get straight to the point. Next, we offer tailored guidance. No more generic advice that doesn't apply to you. We give you the exact steps needed for your specific situation. And finally, you get expert solutions. With over 25 years of experience in the field, we've developed proven, safe routines that protect what matters most to you. Want to stay ahead of the threats? We share daily cyber tips and updates on our social media. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to get smarter about your security every single day. Ready to protect your digital life? Visit CyberItSimple. Come to get started. Stay safe anywhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.